Hello learners out there, you are welcome to this session. P2, I'm teaching P2, Literacy 1A, Lesson 1. My name is Tumwine Joy. I welcome all of you to this lesson, those of Kampala Quality and those who are our friends of Kampala Quality. I know you are there watching, and I hope you are with me, and I hope you are going to go with me in the whole lesson. All right, today we are going to look at institutions. We are going to look at institutions. This is lesson 1, and it is the first topic in institutions. You remember when we left this place, it is a long time, 3 or 4 months? I think so. Don't get tired of remaining home. Before I start the lesson, I would like to remind you of some things. Do you know why you are at home? Yes, you must be knowing why you are not coming to school. Because of COVID-19, yes. Now, do you wash your hands? You are supposed to wash your hands regularly with soap. I hope you wash your hands. I can see someone saying, I forgot. You have to wash all the time. Then you must keep distance. If you are out, keep distance from your friend. Cover your mouth and with a mask. Do you have masks? I know your parents bought for you. Yes, that's good. And you have to stop. Don't touch your eyes, your nose, and your mouth. I know some of you like touching the eyes, like touching the mouth. That one should stop. You should not do it, all right? So that we can remain safe. We want you to come back to school. Yes, we want you to come back. All right. Now, we are looking at institutions today. Yes? Institutions. But before that, let's look at what I want you to do. What I want you to do. What I want us to look at. You are supposed to define institutions. You must know what institutions are. Don't mind, we are going to look at it, but because I'm going to show you tell you what they are, and after the lesson, I want you to define it. Next, you have to mention institutions in the neighborhood. There where you live, there are institutions. You will know them, and you will tell me. Then another one, name people who work in those institutions. People who work in those institutions, there are people who work there. You will have to know them, and you will have to tell me. Then lastly, you will have to draw and name those institutions. Don't mind, you will see the pictures. I will show you as we go. All right? Now, before the lesson, I know you are there seated at home, watching TV, having the phones. Some of you have the pads. You are playing games. Now, we have rules that we are going to follow. 1, switch off all those that you have. The phone, anything that is going to attract you, switch it off. Secondly, keep time. When you know this is the lesson, for example, those who are still doing other things, come quickly. Keep time. Next, have an open mind. Make sure you are there. You are with me. I know you are there. I can see you are good children. That's good. Very good children. Ask questions. I will give you time. I will ask you my questions. You will also ask me questions. All right? Listen and learn. Listen. Don't pinch your friend. I know some of you have habits of pinching their friends. Don't pinch. Don't do anything. Just listen and learn. If you don't listen, you won't learn. So you have to listen and learn. Next is be honest. Be honest. You have to be honest in what you are doing. Because I'm going to give you questions. I want the answers. And you have to be honest. Don't say that you have given the answers when you have not. When I say write, make sure you write. Another one, be positive and constructive. Don't say, I don't want that lesson. The teacher is, I don't want to learn, I'm in COVID holiday. No. Next, interact and collaborate with others with active Participation. You participate, you ask your friends, yes? I know you are good children as you were doing in class. Even now do it. Now we are in class, right? Take responsibility of your own learning. It's you to learn. You have to learn on your own. Don't wait for someone to tell you, right? And then observe neatness of work. When you are writing work, write well. The other good letters. The other don't rub, okay? All right. Now, let's go to our real topic, institutions. Can we spell that, institutions? Yes, let's spell together very fast. I-N-S-T-I-T-U-T-I-O-N-S. Oh, wonderful. These children are spelling. And make sure you put it on in your head, right? Okay. Now, let's go to session 1. Defining institutions. You remember what I said. You have to define. Now, what are institutions? What are institutions? Can you define? Half a minute. What are institutions? I can. Oh, wonderful. Good children. That's good. Good. Now I'm going to give you mine and see if yours is like mine. That's when I said, be honest. Are you honest? Now look here. Institutions are places that offer specific or special services. Institutions that give services, special. Institutions that provide special services. Yes? All right. That is the definition. Is it the same as yours? I think so. If it is not, now make sure you get that. All right? Now, the examples of institutions. I said, what are institutions? Some of you didn't know, but I'm going to. Have you seen? They are here. Can we read them together? Yes. Can we start? The first one, bank. Bank. There's someone who doesn't know how to read. Okay, read after me. Bank. Bank. The next one, church. The next one, mosque. Mosque. Another one, bakery. Bakery. The next one, hotel. A hotel is an institution. Yes, all these we are reading are institutions. Another one is school. Yes, the school where we go is an institution. Yes, because we go there for a reason, for a certain service, right? Another one is salon, where you go whenever the hair grows. Girls, when you are going to play it, salon. All right, the next one is fuel station. Fuel station. Another, the fuel station, some of you call it petrol station, but it is a fuel station, yes? Even salon, some of you call it saloon. It is not saloon, it is salon. Everybody says salon. Salon, right. And the last one is hospital. Everybody say hospital. Hospital, yes? All right. We are on hospital. Can we spell the word salon? S-A-L-O-N. Salon. All right. Now, can we look at those? Some of you have never seen them. Wow, wow. Examples of institutions. We're on another session now. Name one institution in your area. What is this? What do you think that one is? You will tell me later. Institution in your area. Name one institution in your area. Do you know one? Who can write one? Write one. I give you 1 minute. 1 minute and write one. Good children. I can see you are good. Write one. All right. I hope you have written. Have you written? Yes. Now, we have seen those institutions in our area. Yes, those are the institutions we saw, we read, and spelled. Right? Let's look at, what is that? Who can tell me that one? Look at it. Have you ever seen it? Yes, that is a bank. Which bank is that? Read the name. It is Stanbic Bank. How many of you know that? I know you know it. You even go there with your parents. Yes? Let's go to the next one. We have another one. Wow, look at that. What is that? Who can tell me? Who can tell me? Yes, that is a church. And I think many of you know that church. Yes, ask your neighbor which church this one is. We have a mosque. Muslims. Even last year, we went to that mosque. Do you remember, children? Yes, that is the mosque. It is also an institution. Oh, we have that one. Look at that. You can tell me. Oh, that one. I love that. It is a bakery. We read the word bakery. Look at it, what it looks like. That is a bakery, right? We have a fuel station. The one I told you that some of you call it petrol station, but it is not only petrol that is there. There are many, there's petrol, there's diesel, there's paraffin. So that's why we call it fuel station. Oh, that is the fuel, all right? All right. And we have a salon. Yes, the one you call salon. That is a salon. Look at that. You can see people there doing that with some work there, right? So look at that one. Oh, who can tell me that? Who can tell me that? That institution. Yes, it is a hospital. Wow, beautiful. It is a school where I go to, where some of you go to. Even others, our friends, I know they are also coming after COVID. Yes, they are coming. All right. Now, let's go to that. The people who work in these institutions. There are people who go there to work. Yes, let's look at them. Before we look at them, can you tell me those people? Name people who work in the institutions, in different institutions. Do you know them? Yes. Write for me only two. Only two. I'm giving you half a minute. Start. Good handwriting. I can see good children are writing because they have already seen, they have ever gone to those institutions and they have ever found people working there and they know them. All right, let's see my answers. Have you finished? Good. Oh, people who work in different institutions. The first one is bank. Can you read the people who work there? Bankers. Yes, those people you say smart. They are called bankers. Church. They are reverends. They are bishops. They are priests. They are nuns. There is even a pope. A pope is one. Don't say, how come that you have not said popes? No. The pope is one. It is one. So we say pope, right? School. Which people work in the school? Of course, teachers. I work in a school. I'm a teacher. Yes? All right. Mosque. In the mosque, there are many people who work there also. They do different work. We shall look at it next time. There are imams, muazzins, there are sheikhs, there are, all of those, even mufti is there, okay? Bakery, people who work in a bakery are bakers. Those who bake the cakes, the bread, yes? All of those are called bakers. Remember when we went to the bakery last time when we were when we had gone for a tour last year? We went in a bakery and came with bread. I know how you came. We go to a hotel. Hotel, there are people who work there. A man is a waiter. A woman like me is a waitress, right? And there are those who prepare food. Those are chefs. Everybody say chefs. Chefs, yes. We say chefs, but the spelling is C-H-E-F-S, right? Then there are people who work in salons. Those who go to the salon. Which person do you find there that cuts your hair? Like me, I go to the salon and I cut my hair. The person who cuts my hair is a barber. Everybody say barber, barber. Then those who have hair, like your mommy, goes there to plait, to wash, to make it, put styles in the hair. Those are hairdressers. Everybody say hairdressers. Hairdressers. All right. We have hospital. Hospital, there are very many people, but the main ones are doctors. Everybody said doctors. That word, some of you don't know the spelling. You normally spell it wrongly. It is D-O-C-T-O-R-S. Have you spelled it? Good children. And there is a fuel station. Who works in the fuel station? You normally go there with mommy, with dad. Who is that person who puts fuel in daddy's car? Those are called fuel pump attendants. We are now going to see those people, some of those people who work in these institutions we talked about. Look at that. That one is a doctor. Yes? Have you ever seen a doctor? Yes, you have ever. You can see what she has. She has something in the neck, and that is one of automatically, you know that one is a doctor. Yes? Let's go to another one. We go to banker. Yes, these people are in the bank. Those ones you see here are the bankers. Yes? They are serving that person, the customer, but these ones are bankers who work in the bank. Then we have teachers. Who can tell me this teacher? I hope you know this teacher. Some of you know? Yes, that one is a teacher is teaching. We have a nun. Everyone say nun. Nun. Then here when we meet them in the church, we call them sister. That one is a sister. Yes, you can call them sisters, you can call them nuns, right? Yes, we have a bishop. Oh, look at that bishop. Look at how he's dressed. When you see someone dressed like that, that is a bishop. Have you ever seen him? Yes, that is a bishop. Then that one is the pope I was telling you. That one is the only one who don't have any other. It is one. We have only one pope, right? All right. Now, we have seen the pictures of institutions. We have seen the people who work in those institutions. Now, my activity. Make sure you do it. All of you, be good children and do my work. All right. Number one, what is an institution? Remember, we defined it. I told you what an institution is. Now I'm talking of one institution. What is an institution? Number two, mention any 4 institutions in your community. Only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 institutions, because we looked at many. Next, draw and name any 2 institutions. You saw the pictures, not so? Yes, you saw the pictures. Now I want you to draw only 2 of your choice, only 2. Then we go to name people who work in the following institutions. People who work, you name them. Don't draw them, but name them. These, I want someone, people who work in the school. You can draw one, you can draw many. Next, a bank. Yes, you are going to draw which person? A banker. Yes, a banker, that is a person. You draw a banker. Then salon. Salon, you name the people who work in those institutions. Name people who work in the following institutions. Yes, 1, school. You name the people who work in the school. I hope you remember. Yes, good children, remember. Next, bank. Name the people who work in the bank, right? 3, name people who work in the salon. Yes? Are you going to do that work? Good children, you are very nice. Good children. So I want that work, I will come for it. We shall go through it next time when I come, but write the answers of this activity. You are very good children. Clap for yourselves. You are nice. We meet next time, but remember to wash your hands regularly. Remember to keep distance. Don't go to people's homes. Remain at home. so that you can remain safe, right? Then put on a mask if you are going with mommy or daddy somewhere, all right? So that we can meet next time when we are both alive. Thank you very much. You are nice.